Retired High Court Justice H. N. Nagamohan Das has submitted his final report on internal reservation for scheduled castes to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. The report looks into how government jobs and education opportunities can be shared more fairly among different SC communities in Karnataka. He also handed over 1,766-page report on Monday. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said the report will be discussed in the cabinet meeting on 7th of August. The report has been submitted. Siddaramaiah said that he will be present in the cabinet and take decision. H. N. Nagamohan said that 27,24,768 SC households and 10,701,982 individuals took part in the statewide survey. He added that the report now belongs to the state government and it is up to them to decide what to do with it. The state government had informed the commission on 1st of January 2025. On 27th March, H. N. Nagamohan Das submitted an interim report saying the existing data was unclear. He suggested a fresh survey, which the cabinet approved the same day. The new survey was carried out between 5th of May and 6th of July. An official statement confirmed that Justice H. N. Nagamohan did not take any payment on honorarium for this work. The government's decision on this report is expected on 7th of August, could affect how reservation benefits are shared among SC communities in the state.
This report ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾಗಮೋಹನ್ ದಾಸು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ 7ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡಿಸಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ
3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಸಮೀಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟಿಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಆಗಿದೆ 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಸಮೀಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್
ಅವಘಡಗಳಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರೋಪಗಳು ಕೇಳಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂಟಿಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಜನಗಳೇ ಅದೊಂದು ಆರೋಪ
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು
ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್
ಜನಗಳ ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ